This is what a full dinner experience looks like. Shiso and Wynwood. It's the mix of Japanese and Caribbean flavors all centered around open fire cooking. You walk in, go upstairs, and it opens up into this beautiful open air space. There's a bar, live music, smooth R&B playing. The whole vibe is just really chill and a little sexy. We started with drinks, and I love that they have this whole national Shiso-graphic menu with cocktails from all over. Then the food starts coming out. Everything's cooked over open fire. You see the flames, the smoke, everything. The brisket croquetas were so good, crispy, super flavorful. I was literally scraping the plate for the last bite. We did a toro uni roll, some nigiri to start, and the hamachi was so good it literally melts. The short rib platter was insane. You build your own tamaki, which made it super fun. And the oxtail udon, that was a moment. So rich, so good. If you like cornbread like me, you have to get the amours with the honey butter. It's the chef's kiss. Eggplant katsu, perfectly charred. Honestly, everything just kept hitting. And then dessert. They bring out this honey cornbread Alaska, torched, and it literally looks like a marshmallow mountain. Warm on the outside, cold ice cream inside. My daughter didn't even want to share it. Between the food, the drinks, and the live music, it just feels like one of those nights you don't rush. And they have live music every Friday, which makes it even better. If you're looking for a full dinner experience in Wynwood, this is it.